Take one! Come through!
I'm not that kind of doctor.
What?
Hey!
Carla.
Dr. Masters will take you to see Schneider. I'll be around if you need me.
My son. I need to see if my son is in there, doctor, please.
I'm sorry. I can't let you in. Not yet.
My son,
I'm
but you don't
sorry.
understand. My son. It's my son. It's my son.
Carla.
How many schools do you guys have working here as hospitals?
All of them. At least the ones still standing.
How many earthquakes have you guys had?
5 this week and then 6 with this one.
Lucky. We've had 8 just today. That man's child probably had it worse than us.
Dr. Schneider's waiting for us.
Here they are, Dr. Masters and Dr.
Carla Rodriguez.
Dr. Rodriguez. These are the people that will guide us to our new home on the planet Osiris.
Osiris?
The new planet SR-27.
Okay. I feel I'm just being introduced in the middle of the conversation here.
Well, as you may know, Dr. Richards was taking care of this research, but, well, he had a setback.
And by setback, he means getting squashed by a fallen car right after reaching Earth.
Is he dead?
Most likely, yes. That's why we have you here, to guide us to our new home.
Why are you going to dialysis?
They needed medical assistance.
Who?
The World Union.
Wait. So they just leave happily to the space station while we're here in an apocalypse?
What are you talking about?
What is she talking about, Dr. Schneider?
Dr. Schneider, what is she talking about?
There's a wormhole that's closer to the International Space Station. Dr. Richards' work. They're working on it to make sure our trip is safe.
For who? The astronauts and scientists are still here. And what does the government know about xenobiology anyway?
Don't ask me, I'm here with you. Let's just watch the footage of the new planet.
This is Dr. Kevin Richards. Recapping, the life in Osiris, or SR-47, consists of archipelago turtles. They're basically Galapagos turtles, but around 3 times their size. Aside from that, there are no other animals. The vegetation is similar to that of a rainforest. Air is completely breathable, and water covers 83% of the surface. The planet itself is around 70% the size of Earth. So there might be an overpopulation problem, or underpopulation if we don't make it early enough. Now, the wormhole we left behind is close to the International Space Station and can be transported to members of the World Union. As for the people on Earth, we have to build a device back there that would be connected to the second one we just finished constructing. But given the size of Osiris and the conditions after the war, I'm not really sure who will make it here.
This is where you come in, Miss Rodriguez. You have to build the portal to get us there.
Who exactly is us? Is the World Union going to filter the people going to Osiris?
I don't think that is an important concern now.
I second that motion. We need to get off of this dying planet. Whoever's alive will come with us.
I don't appreciate you doubting our government. I can assure you they only seek our best interest.
That sounds like good propaganda. But that's not what I want to hear. I want the truth. The space station is a perfectly suitable home for 500,000 people. And it has enough resources to keep them alive for 500 years. They can perfectly move to a new planet within that time, but we are stuck here, hoping to build a bigger wormhole with much less resources.
I can assure you that our leaders will provide the best resources in order to make it to a new planet. But we need you now that Dr. Richards is not with us.
The problem here is not the survival of our species. It's the status quo of our civilization. It's the life we're gonna live if we rebuild a civilization. The survivors will be working like slaves every second of their lives. And the union will make these people thank them for it because they saved us from extinction. Honestly, I'd rather die before creating a new era of slavery. Let's just face it. The time for humanity is over for our own sake.
Is she right, Doctor?
Look, we have to unite under the Union's command. We can't bring this chaos here to the new planet. That's exactly what's caused all the problems we have right now.
No, what caused the situation we're in is the leaders of this planet going on countless wars for greed. As captain of this mission, I don't intend to lead my team on some treasure hunt just for people to use us as tools and take our free will away.
If you want to die like a bunch of wild animals, go right ahead. But I can assure you there are people in this building that want to live. Jane, go get that woman back. This is no time to debate who has the moral high ground.
Come on, Doc. I just need my meds.
I've got no medicine to give you.
Please come with me. There aren't many more scientists in the planet in your field of study. And if you don't come with us, one of the remainings will, and they may not have your integrity.
Why are you with them? What happened to you and standing up for the unprivileged?
That's what I'm doing. These people deserve to choose their destination, but we don't have time to ask them one by one. So our next best option is to trust our instinct and go to self-preservation. You focus on these two and bring them safely to Osiris. Everything else will sort itself out.
These people won't like it when they find out what the union wants to make of them.
You don't have to worry about that. We can work together in peace. This is our chance to get rid of war. And we will.
We will never get rid of war. We'd only be taking our conflict to a new place.
Stop being so negative for once. You will see time prove me right. This is not only about saving your life or mine. This is preventing extinction, saving humanity.